Welcome to Unicoi Preserves.
And welcome to the Ingles table.
Today we're showcasing our new Unicoi Preserves Cherry Jalapeno Spread that you can find right there at your local Ingles.
This is our twist on a classic, a Monte Cristo sandwich that you're gonna love. Let us show you how we make it. We're gonna make this a triple-decker sandwich.
A triple-decker?
Triple-decker. We're using 3 pieces of Ingles Texas toast. The middle layer of bread, we're actually gonna roll out with a rolling pin. I'm gonna cut the crust off. This gives the sandwich something to hold onto when you build it so it doesn't fall apart when you take a bite of it. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna roll these out just as flat as I can get them. And don't worry about the jagged edges. Once we build this sandwich, we're gonna cut the crust off and it'll all square up and be one size. So just concentrate on getting it really thin. Like I said, it almost disappears. It looks like it's almost one-sided, it's so thin.
Yeah, while Clark's doing that, I am making the batter that we're going to dip our sandwich into. Pretty simple. It's basically French toast. It's egg and milk just whisked together.
So what I'm going to do while she's making that, I'm going to spread a little bit of mayonnaise. It'll be on the outside edges of the sandwich, so
all right,
on the top and the bottom.
While you're doing that, I'll give that a little spread.
We're going to be using Swiss cheese today. We bought a block of Swiss cheese in the Ingles cheese case and shredded it ourselves. It melts a lot easier that way. So we're going to do his and hers here. We're dueling sandwiches. I'm going to put a nice handful of Swiss cheese down. We've got some shaved lunch meat that we got in the Ingles Deli. This is Tavern Ham. Put a nice layer of ham down. So we're gonna spread a layer of our Unicoi Preserves Cherry Jalapeno Spread.
So we use tart cherry juice to make this and jalapeno for some heat and flavor.
So what we're gonna do, take this, put it jelly side down on top of the ham, because we're gonna put jelly on the top side.
All right.
We've got some Mesquite smoked turkey here. You can use whatever kind of turkey you like, but that goes on next. But it is important to put another layer of cheese on top.
Okay.
Finally, flip it over. I'm just gonna press this down with a skillet. Then I'm gonna cut the edges off. We're gonna dip it. You gonna do yours?
I'll do mine.
All right. While she's doing that, I'm gonna cut my crust off.
So we're using a griddle today. Makes it easy to cook multiple sandwiches. But heck, man, this just works so easy in a frying pan on the stovetop. Next step, we gotta give the sandwiches a little dunk in the pool. There you go. You wanna go first?
Okay.
And while you're doing that messy part, I'll let you do mine on this one. How about that?
All right. We'll make sure we'll remember which side of the grill yours is on.
Okay.
This is gonna go down on the griddle. We're gonna cook it about 4 minutes aside until it's nice and beautiful golden brown. Okay, the timer just went off and these sandwiches look beautiful. We still got the his and hers. I'm gonna let you guys guess which one's which.
Mine's the prettier one. Just saying.
I'm taking these off the griddle. I said you could totally do these on your stovetop. We just did this on the griddle today for ease of filming. We're gonna cut these on the diagonal, make them look fancy. You can charge more if you cut a sandwich on the diagonal. There we go. There's a little melty cheese.
So all good Monte Cristos are finished with a little bit of powdered sugar. I'm gonna make it snow.
There you have it. His and hers Monte Cristo sandwiches.
So be sure to visit inglestable.com for this recipe and so many more. Recipes, cooking tips, quick tips, inglestable.com.
Until next time,
We'll see you online.